GM everybody. Today I'm gonna show you our project SolCircle for this hackathon. This is our website. Let's deep dive into the system architecture of this project. So basically, I'm not gonna bore you guys some technical jargons. I'm gonna simplify this stuff. So basically, there are multiple Telegram groups where there are alpha groups. It can be friends, it can be some unknowns, but they are all coming together to trade, discuss what are the alphas are there, how to make a good profit and stuff. But they are still driven by trustless. Like it's word of mouth, right? So what we are trying to propose here a solution for this exact problem. Here we can have a group admins which are through us connect. They can register through our Telegram bot with us, and their Telegram groups gets connected. The only owners can group with a small minimal fee. After that, they get connected. There are simple folks like us who can register with our website. I'm gonna show you how they can do that. Basically, you register there. You can like connect to this wallet. And after that, you can connect with your Telegram account. I already have it connected, so I'm not gonna show it. Here is my dashboard right now. Here you can see this is my username, is my wallet balance, and these are the trade. We'll discuss it later. After that, let's come to this system architecture where like different users can initialize whenever they create an account. They initialize in our on-chain user account PDA where they can fund transfer anytime they want. And for the withdrawal, there is a caveat, like if they are in a session, which we will talk about in some seconds. So during the session, they can't withdraw. We have an oracle which checks off chain to see if they are in a session or not using So basically, after multiple people are joining a Telegram group, after that, suppose the group admin of that particular Telegram group, which are registered to us, they join. They can create a session, and after that, all the users can propose like which coin to buy. This coin, whatever, what is the amount they want to buy, and anything, it can be a pump fund, it can be a normal DEX swap, anything. So after that, we do a off-chain voting. We kept it off-chain to reduce the cost of doing it completely on-chain. Every time someone has to vote, they need to sign to make it faster, make it cheaper. We kept the voting off-chain. But the voting resolution happens through an oracle to make it completely transparent. So every time a voting gets resolved, oracle sees what is the result, how many people are voting yes or no, and then it comes to report to the group pool, which is created during when the group admin registered their Telegram group with us. And after that, when the yes votes have been casted, all the funds from the users gets released from their user account PDA automatically, and then goes to the group pool. And after that, we do a Radium CPI calls. Now it's just simple after that. So basically, now for selling, you also can sell opposite way, like everything here you're seeing gets reversed for the selling mechanism. But we face certain challenges, and that's where some of these tools came to help us. We had to make sure like every fund transfer, every CPI calls are protected from multiple MEV bots, which are there to see what is the trend going on and stuff. To protect our buyers, protect our users, we are using Sanctum Gateway to make our transaction almost non-vulnerable to these bots, make it almost zero time execution, like super real time basically. And similarly for let's go to Sanctum. Here you can see like our transactions are going through this. We are using Helios DevNet to get these transactions. And so after this we have Zerion, which helps our in a real-time dashboard, real-time transactions. So here in this dashboard you're seeing all this balance and funds, that all this stuff basically gets directly using Zerion to fetch how much and here you can see how many proposals this user has been participated in, what are their votes, what are their stuff. You can also add funds and stuff. Now let's get on to the let's see how now go to this RTM. Basically we wanted our trade book to be completely private, completely safe from any kind of bots, any kind of pen testers, and any kind of discrepancies basically. So that's why in our let's go to a smart contract, we're using Archeum to initiate the oracles, and basically when the pool is get created, it's under true, and all the trading that gets, like suppose when oracle is coming towards with the results, it keeps the trading order completely encrypted, completely private. It runs through the Archeum's flow, and after that, only after the vote has been resolved and stuff, we only making the CPI call. So it's it stays completely private, completely safe from any kind of bots, any kind of tippers, scalpers, and any kind of those things. I think these are the most important part that we have to make a decision about how RTM helped us and how we solve those challenges basically. Also we have written our SolCircle white paper. We will attach this link to it, and I think that's about it. Here you can see the system architecture, how the program derived addresses and user accounts interact with each other. We will share this with it will be linked below in the description. Thanks. Now I'm gonna show how we can do basically how the bot works right now. So I was talking with my friends when I heard about the SolCircle thing. So as we were discussing, like basically SolCircle is a trading bot that converts your like any kind of Telegram group into a trading hub. Here you can add the SolCircle bot. We have added the description, the member name basically, and after that you can register it like that. It just gets to the. Now let's create a session, like we are talking about creating a Meloni coin. And so basically when you create a session, any of the participant who wanna join, they can join in here. and after that you can propose how much to buy, what to buy, any kind of thing. Basically it's up to you. So after that I created a proposal to buy this stuff, and after that you can say how much you want to buy, so like vote yes or no, and then the amount you want to buy. The bot registers each and everyone's vote. The voting happens off chain. I have described like why we are doing that, and after that this transaction gets completed. It goes to the pool, and you can see the different status, what are the current ongoing orders, what are the orders that has been already executed. Now let's try selling this also. And for selling, only the people who are inside that order, like traded the order in the first place, they can only participate in this board. Others won't be. So after the sale has been executed, it gets added. Yeah.